Unheard. I'm Dr. Guruguru, and I've seen countless relationships crumble over being unheard. This is the story of one such couple.
Remember our trip to Paris? We were so happy, we laughed so much.
Of course, everyone said we were the perfect couple. We had it all.
But beneath the surface, trouble was brewing.
Mike, I feel like you never really listened to me. It's like I'm invisible to you.
What are you talking about? No one has ever told me I make them feel invisible. Everyone I've ever been with loves me.
Notice how he immediately becomes defensive, making it about himself.
You always do this. You never hear what I'm actually saying. It's exhausting.
You're being too sensitive. Can't we just have a nice dinner without all this drama? By dismissing her feelings, he's creating a cycle of hurt and resentment.
I tried to tell you about my sad day at work today, but you just talked over me. It really hurt.
Oh, come on, I was excited about my golf game. It's not always about you, Sarah.
Healthy relationships require mutual support and celebration of each other's success.
Mike, I feel so alone, even when we're together. Every conversation with you turns into a fight or shouting match. I'm really hurt by this.
You're overreacting, Sarah. Everyone thinks I'm a great guy. Why can't you see that? You just don't know how lucky you are to have me.
His constant need for external validation blinds him to his partner's words and pain.
Mike, I think we need couples therapy. We can't keep going on like this.
Therapy? There's absolutely nothing wrong with me, Sarah. You're the one with issues.
Refusing to acknowledge problems is a major red flag in any relationship.
I can't keep doing this, Mike. I'm exhausted. We need to fix this.
Fine, be that way. There's nothing to fix. I'm going out with the guys. Maybe they'll appreciate me better than you do right now.
Avoidance, like running away from issues, only deepens the rift between partners. He is completely void of the emotions she feels. Sometimes the weight of unspoken words can become very unbearable. Mike, we need to talk about your behavior. Mike, what is it this time, Sarah? You don't take my feelings seriously. You dismiss my concerns as unimportant. That's not true, and you know it. It is true. You always brush me off like I don't matter. I feel like I'm talking to a wall. You're blowing this out of proportion, Sarah. No, I'm not. This is serious, Mike. We can't keep ignoring these issues. See, this is exactly what I mean. You don't even care enough to look at me. I don't have time for this right now, Sarah. You never have time for us. When communication breaks down, love can quickly turn into resentment. He is simply misinterpreting her concerns as an attack on him. Sometimes the breaking point comes not with a bang, but with a subtle whisper. Why can't you just listen to me for once? I do listen. I'm a great guy and a great catch. You just refuse to see it. No, you're not. You just pretend to be. That's not fair. Fair? You don't know the meaning of that word. Mike, I'm done with this conversation. Of course you are. You always are. It's often in these small moments of conflict that the deepest wounds are inflicted. When love is overshadowed by ego, every word becomes a weapon. Every silence is a battlefield. In the end, it's not the grand gestures, but the everyday kindness and good communication that keeps a relationship strong. When those are lost, the foundation crumbles bit by bit. Will they find their way back to each other, or is this the final straw? Mike, we need to talk about your nonchalant behavior. What do you mean? I have begged you to watch your tone when we're talking. You always turn everything into a heated argument. That's not true. It is. You always act like nothing I say matters. This is important to me. You're being dramatic again. No, I'm not. This is our relationship, Mike. I'm trying to save it. I can't keep doing this. Then don't, Sarah. In moments of heated arguments, words can cut deeper than actions. Mike's constant need to defend himself only proves the depth of disconnection he has towards Sarah's feelings. It's in these silent moments of reflection, when the dust settles, that realization begins to dawn. Ego always blinds us to the pain of our loved ones. Only when the silence becomes deafening do we start to see the truth. The path to healing begins with acknowledgement. Will Mike recognize the damage done before it's too late?
I've made my decision.
What are you doing? Stop being so dramatic.
I'm leaving. I can't live like this anymore.
You can't leave. What will people say?
Even now, his concern is for appearances, not her well-being and not her feelings.
Goodbye. This is a toxic relationship for me. I really do wish you well.
She really left, but I'm a good guy, right? I'm sure she'll come back.
Sometimes it takes losing everything to gain perspective.
Maybe I really do have problems.
I've learned that self-respect is crucial in any relationship.
I realized too late that listening isn't just hearing words, but understanding feelings.
Be kind, be patient, and always strive to be a better partner. Because in the end, the greatest happiness comes from mutual growth and understanding. Listening is a very key role to a successful relationship. This has been Dr. Gaburug. Remember, it's never too late to learn and improve. Treasure a good partner when you find one. Most people are not fortunate to find any. A story by Uzo. Wisdom is not bought, it is learned from experience. Until next time, show more patience and keep hope alive. Like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.